Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create 3D text using geometry nodes. But before we jump into that, there's one setting I need to change first. I'm using Blender 4.5 right now, and the correct face normals option doesn't display properly, so we'll need to fix that before moving on. Go to the Edit menu and select Preferences. Then open the Themes tab and expand 3D Viewport. Scroll down until you find Face Orientation Front and click on the blank checkerboard pattern. By default, the alpha is set to 0, so change it to 0.4. Once that's done, click the 3 lines in the corner, choose Save Preferences, and then close the window. First, select the light and camera and delete them. Then select the default cube and click on the Geometry Nodes tab to get started. Whenever I start working in Geometry Nodes, I like to close any panels I won't be using to keep things tidy. Then, I click New and turn on Snapping. Next, I delete the Group Input node and add a String to Curves node. Plug that into the geometry output. In the string field, I'll type My Blender. Make sure you're viewing it from the top. Just like with a regular text object, you can pick a font. Adjust the position. Change the size. And tweak the character spacing. Word spacing. And line spacing. Add a fill curve node and drop it on the main connection to turn the outlines into filled shapes. Now let's rotate the text. Add a transform geometry node. Drop it onto the main connection. And set the X rotation to about 75 degrees. Next, to make the text 3D, add an extrude mesh node and connect it to the main link. Right now, the text is extruded way too much, so let's change the offset to 0.2. If you take a look at the back of the text, it probably looks a bit messy. That's because it's trying to extrude each face individually. To fix that, just uncheck individual, so each letter is treated as a single face. Earlier in the video, we changed the face orientation settings. Let's open up the viewport display and turn on face orientation again. The red areas show where we might have problems with lighting or materials when rendering, and the blue areas mean everything's fine. Now add a join geometry node. Plug the mesh into it. And then connect the join geometry to the group output. You'll notice there's no backface on the text yet. To fix that, take the transform geometry output and connect it into the join geometry as well. This adds a backface, but it's showing up red, which means there'll be rendering issues. To fix that, drop in a flip faces node on that connection. Now all the faces are fixed. Before we wrap up, go back to the viewport display and turn off face orientation. And that's it for this quick tutorial on creating 3D text with geometry nodes. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help out. I'd also love to hear your tips or feedback on how I can make these videos even better. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram and share your projects with me there too. And of course, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Blender tutorials.